सर हमने अभी देखा कि सर फॉरेक्स ट्रेड में जो आरबीआई ने सख्ती बरती थी उसमें अपना फैसला वापस लिया है, अब थोड़ी नरमी दी है। एनडीएफ की अगर हम बात करें तो सर ये नरमी भी टेम्पररी है, क्या ये दोबारा से सर रोल आउट हो सकता है? इट्स एज पर द मार्केट कंडीशन। सो क्या इस पे आरबीआई का
100 million cap which was there that still exists, so will you take a call on that as well going ahead?
Let me put it this way, that the commitment that we have to two things: to having one single global market for the dollar rupee stands. The commitment that, and secondly, the commitment that we have to internationalization of the rupee stands. They're there for the long term. All that was done was to deal with a temporary event that created a large volatility in the market. Once that is taken care of, we should be back on back on track in what we do. Our idea is that any user anywhere in the world who has an exposure of risk to the rupee should be able to do any product that is available. So that remains. It was a temporary measure.
Are we satisfied with
for the rollback, sir? What was the reason for partial?
It was a temporary measure. It had to be rolled back sometime. We did it now.
तो सर अभी क्या आपको वॉलेटिलिटी नहीं दिख रही? अभी भी क्या रुपये पे वो खतरा नहीं दिख रहा क्योंकि वो और नीचे जा सकता है? तो क्या अगर ऐसा होता है आरबीआई फिर से क्या सेम मेजर लेगा?
अब फिर रुपये ऊपर जाए नीचे जाए was not the consideration for the measures. The measures is because it was very volatile at that point in time. ऊपर नीचे जाएगा, that depends on market factors. Market will price in demand supply, and we have a very deep and liquid market. They will do that. We only come in if there is excessive and sort of disruptive volatility.
So is there any scope to increase the 100 million cap because number of stabilized a bit?
These are measures that we will take a decision on that in due course. It's a continuous process, making it easy, the process easy. Markets, as I said, our bond markets are, government bond markets, some of the most liquid in the world. They are clearly the most transparent system that you have in the world. There is, of course, the ecosystem. There is the ecosystem of registration of investors, ecosystem of taxation. All those ecosystems remain. Those are not things that we can do anything about as a central banker. But what we can do is ensure that the markets are liquid and the markets are easy to operate in. Otherwise, everyone has to operate in the environment that they have.
सर एडवर्स सिचुएशंस में आरबीआई हमेशा स्टेप्स लेता है, हमने कोविड में देखा था। अब इसमें भी क्या सर किसी तरह से लोन रिलीफ या कोई मॉरेटोरियम या कुछ और एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा है सर आरबीआई? अगर या
RBI will always take steps that are necessary to ensure that we meet our goals, that markets function well, that the economy functions well. If there are stresses at any points in the economy, whatever, as a regulator, as an entity responsible for market stabilization, whatever we need to do, we will do that. Just like we did in COVID, we will do it.